In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add profitability dashboards in Xero Analytics. By the end, you'll have a ready-made profitability view you can use to track margins and overall financial performance with almost no setup. First, make sure you're signed in to your Xero account and that you have permission to view reports. Once you're in, head to the main menu and click Reporting. From there, look for Business Health Scorecards. This area brings together key indicators about how your business is doing, and it's where Xero keeps templates that you can turn on with a few clicks. Inside Business Health Scorecards, choose Manage Scorecards. This is your control panel for adding or removing dashboards. Next, select Add Business Health Scorecard from Template. Xero provides a handful of curated options, and the one we want today is Profitability. Go ahead and click Profitability to preview what's included. Before you add it, take a moment to review the profitability metrics and financial ratios shown in the template. You'll typically see measures designed to help you understand how efficiently revenue turns into profit. Pay particular attention to metrics like gross profit margin and net profit margin. Gross profit margin looks at revenue minus the direct costs of delivering your product or service divided by revenue. It helps you spot pricing or cost of goods sold issues early. Net profit margin goes a step further by including overheads and other expenses, giving you a bottom-line view of how much profit is generated from every dollar of sales. If the mix of metrics looks right for your business, click Add Template. Xero will create a new profitability dashboard for you automatically, pulling data from your ledger so the visuals and ratios populate without any manual entry. Now, review the new profitability dashboard metrics. Scan through each tile and chart to confirm the numbers make sense based on your recent performance. If a margin looks unexpectedly high or low, consider whether costs have been coded correctly, especially items that belong in cost of sales versus operating expenses, since that split drives gross profit margin. You can also use the standard controls at the top of the page to view different time periods or compare trends, which is especially helpful for spotting seasonality or the impact of pricing changes. A quick tip: the quality of these insights depends on clean, up-to-date data. Regular reconciliations, accurate account mapping, and consistent use of tracking categories will make your profitability view far more reliable. That's all it takes. With the Profitability Scorecard added, you can quickly track business profitability and financial performance using Xero Analytics and check in routinely to stay on top of margins and momentum.